Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Start by confirming your phone number and cloud account match your WhatsApp profile. Open WhatsApp settings, then Chats, then Chat Backup to view the backup date and size. On Android, check Google Drive and the local folder named WhatsApp/databases for files. Local backups typically show MSG Story YMMDD, DB, Crypt12 and remain for 7 days on the device. On iPhone, check iCloud Drive with the same Apple ID and ensure iCloud backup is enabled. Note the most recent backup timestamp before proceeding with any restores. To restore from cloud, uninstall WhatsApp and then reinstall it from the App Store. During setup, verify the same phone number and sign into the same Google account or Apple ID. Grant requested permissions so the app can access storage and contacts during restore. When prompted, choose Restore from Google Drive or Restore from iCloud to download chat data. Wait patiently while WhatsApp downloads the backup and then restores messages and media files to your phone. Do not interrupt the process until the app signals completion of restoration. For older Android backups, use a file manager to open WhatsApp/databases on your phone or backup. Locate the older file named MSG Story YMMDD, DB, Crypt12 and copy it to your device if necessary. Rename the chosen file exactly to MSG Store, DB, Crypt12 so WhatsApp recognizes it during setup. Uninstall WhatsApp, then reinstall and verify your phone number without restoring from Google Drive when prompted. WhatsApp will detect the local MSG Store, DB, Crypt12 and restore that older backup instead. Remember, Android keeps local backups for 7 days, so recover as soon as possible.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.